I spent 3 weeks building AI agent pipelines, and honestly, most of them didn't save me a single hour. Then I tried Claude Cowork. Same tasks, and something clicked. Cowork isn't an AI agent, and that difference changes everything. So I ran a simple test, one real task from my actual work, same prompt, same context. 2 tools. Let's see what happened. Before we start, let me show you the environments. On the left side, I have Claude Cowork. It looks like a simple chat interface, a text field at the bottom, and above that, Claude's responses and the files it creates. Now look at the right side. This is n8n. Instead of a chat, we see a large canvas with connected blocks called nodes. Each node is one step in a workflow. Data moves from one node to the next automatically. 2 tools, 2 very different philosophies, so let's test them on the same problems. First task, I have a CSV file with 200 user reviews from an app. My goal is simple: find the 3 biggest UX problems and turn them into Jira tickets. First, I drag the CSV file into Claude Cowork. Then I type a prompt. Analyze this dataset. Extract the 3 biggest UX problems, then create formatted Jira tickets. Claude reads the file. A few seconds later, the results appear. At the top, we see a summary. 3 recurring problems: slow loading times, confusing navigation, and login errors on mobile. Below that, Claude generates 3 Jira tickets. Each one includes a title, description, and priority. 1 prompt, 30 seconds, done. And now I can immediately ask follow-up questions. For example, which problem should we fix first? Claude analyzes the impact and prioritizes the issues. So this is interactive analysis. You think together with the AI. Now let's look at the same task in n8n. Instead of uploading a file, I build a workflow. The first node is a trigger. For example, a new review appears in Typeform or the App Store. The next node sends the text to an AI model for sentiment analysis. After that, a condition node checks if the feedback is negative. If it is, the workflow continues. Another node creates a Jira ticket, and the final node sends a Slack notification to the product team. Setting this up took me about 2 hours, but once it's running, it runs forever. Every new negative review automatically becomes a ticket. Now that we tested both tools, the difference becomes clear. Claude Cowork works with you. You ask questions, you explore ideas, you iterate. n8n works without you. You define a workflow once, then it runs automatically in the background. Here is the easiest way to remember it. If you want to complete a task right now, use Claude Cowork. If you want to automate a repeatable workflow, use n8n. And here is the most important insight. These tools are not competitors. They solve completely different problems. Claude Cowork helps you think, analyze, and create. n8n helps you automate processes. The most productive workflows often combine both. Use AI to understand problems, and automation to scale the solution. If this video helped you understand the difference, subscribe. I test new AI tools every week so you don't have to. And tell me in the comments, which tool are you currently using for automation? I read every single one. See you in the next video.